In this question, you can see that it's volume. And for the fact that you have these two numbers, you can easily find the volume of the water, which is the easy part. So let's put it one side first. And you know that volume is LBH. And cm will be, since it's all cm, the unit will be cm cubed. So moving on, you can see that these are all the base area, yeah? And the good thing is both have the same base area, which means that, in fact, you can combine them into a longer tube, a longer container with the same base area. Then, so the water flow from here into here, and then it's full, completely means full. And then the remaining water could only, the remaining water can only fill 3 units out of 5U. So it's only until here, because it says so. So you can assign 5 units to R. And it says that the height of R is actually half, means this is another 5U, and total will be 10 units. So one of the things that I teach my P6ers is the purpose of the number when you have units is to find 1U. That means all these numbers are to find 1 unit. We will see how it goes. So moving on, what we can do at the start is first find the volume, which is equals to base area times height, which is 36 minus 4 to give you 32, and you have 8736 cm cubed. Okay? And then this volume is equivalent to 30 units because you can fill the full of the whole of Q, which is 10 units, plus 3 units of R. So what we can do is we can find 1U, and you take 8736 divided by 13, and you get 672 cm cubed. And remember, we mentioned that, in fact, you can combine these two into one long tube with the same base area. So what we can do is we can just assign this 1U, yeah, to any of this, depending on what we want to find. So since we want to find R, it's a full of 5 units, okay? So 5 units will be 5U is equals to 5 times 672, which is equals to 3360, and that will be in cm cubed as well. And to find height, which is volume over base area, or volume over length times breadth, you'll get 3360 divided by 12 times 10, and you get 28 cm. That's the answer. So a few things to take note is that you want to remember basic formula of LBH for volume, take note of the units, and since you assign units, as in this 1U here, you know that the purpose of the numbers is to find 1U, and then of course we have another formula here that you must remember, which is height is equals to volume over base area.